Hey, what's going on, guys? Ultra Nastasio here with FlytPath.com. Now in this video I want to talk to you about one of the features of the DJI Smart Controller, and that's the DJI Go Share function on this controller. Now this function allows you to transfer your footage and your photos directly from your drone and your remote onto your mobile device really fast. And if you guys are new here, I do a lot of drone tech tips, tutorials, and product reviews on this channel. So if that's something that interests you, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that bell to be notified when I post new videos. All right, guys, I want to quickly show you guys the Go Share feature on the DJI Smart Controller. And this is really nice because if you shoot a bunch of video or photos on your DJI Mavic 2, you have a couple options. You can either pull the card directly from here, put it into the top of your DJI remote controller right here, and then you can actually view and download all the photos if you wanted to your remote or to your actual mobile device. So the one thing that's nice is that if you were to shoot something here internally, you can actually pull those photos also using the Go Share app. And let me show you guys how to quickly do that. First thing you want to do is on the DJI Smart Controller is pull down the menu system right here, and there's a little button that says Go Share. You just have to click that button right there. And once you do, it'll pull up a QR code. Now, if you've never connected your mobile device to your smart controller, all you have to do is open up the DJI Go 4 app. As you can see right here, there is a connect, which means I've already connected in the past, but what you want to do here is if you've never connected it, you just have to click this button down here, and all you have to do now is scan that QR. And once you scan it, it'll ask you if you want to join that network. So it automatically creates its own Wi-Fi network between your mobile device and the smart controller. All you have to do now is hit join. And once you're joined in there, you're now able to view the photos directly from your DJI Mavic 2. So now what I want to do is take another photo just to show you live that I'm actually doing this live and you're not seeing something that's already pre-scripted. What I will do is put and turn this a little bit that way. And let me take one photo just like that. So I just took a photo of that light that's just right there. And now when I pull this up on my Go Share app on my phone, if I just hit refresh, you can now see that image right there. And all I have to do is click it, hit download, and it'll download really fast onto your mobile device. Import is complete. I can go to my gallery and edit that. Now, the great thing about this too is that if you have and you shot something in video, if you shot even in 4K, it won't download a full 4K onto your mobile device, but it will download a 1080p version onto your mobile device. So if you want to do anything like quick edits on here, you're able to do that because the 4K footage, you know, even if it's a short footage, it's very large. So you're talking a few gigs, if anything, but it will download a 1080p version as well as the high resolution JPEG. So I actually did a couple tests and I downloaded all the photos from here as well as downloaded directly from my DJI Mavic 2, and they were the high resolution JPEGs. They don't download the actual raw DNG files, but it gives you the high resolution JPEGs as well as the HD or high resolution video. So not the full 4K, but it will download the 1080p version onto your mobile device. So once you download it, you're now able to click on the very top where it says album. You can go to photos and you can actually see that photo I just took right now. It is on my device, and if I want to bring that even to my camera roll, I can save that to my camera roll as well. But if you wanted to do some edits here, if you wanted to put in some sort of timeline or make some quick edits, you're able to do that quickly on the go. And here's a quick video I actually downloaded yesterday. Now I shot this on my drone in 4K, but I downloaded it to my mobile device, and this is a 5-minute video, and it probably took less than a minute to download. So the connection is really fast in order for you to get some of your footage off of your drone onto your mobile device. So it was really nice just to quickly do that and not have to hassle and pull out the cards and everything. It direct connected, and then the Wi-Fi from the smart controller to my phone was really fast, and everything worked out good, and I was able to make just a little fun quick edit directly on my phone instantly after I downloaded. So there it is, guys. That was the Go Share function on the new DJI Smart Controller. Just a quick way for you to pull that footage off your drone or your remote onto your mobile device for you to do some quick edits or some social media sharing. As always, if you guys got some value from my video, don't forget to hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I post new videos. This is Ultra Nastasio with FlytPath.com. I will see you in the next video. Take care.